back to another vlog. It's my birthday. I'm officially 34. I do not feel 34 at all. I still feel like I'm in my late 20s. Maybe 32. It's about 3 p.m. I washed my hair today, so I'm feeling extra fresh. My husband and I are getting gas right now. Then we're gonna go over to Walmart because I need to pick up some candles. I ordered a cake from Publix. I saw a video on TikTok of this girl saying that Publix makes the best cakes. So let me show you a picture of the cake that I am thinking I'm gonna pick up from them, and they were pretty confident about it too. They were like, oh yeah, we can do that, but minus the bows. Okay, so I'm not getting the heart either though. It's gonna be a circle, but it's still gonna be cute. So this cake says 20, but I asked them to write Gemini on it because I'm like, I don't really feel like having 34 on the cake. I just feel like Gemini would be cuter. So when we go to Walmart, I'm gonna pick up some ribbon and some edible pearls. I haven't decided whether I want to put some candles on it yet. I'm really excited to see the cake. I'm a little nervous because if you watched my vlog a couple months back when my husband and I celebrated our 2-year anniversary, I ordered a cake from Walmart, and that was from a TikTok that I saw. And it came out so bad. I mean, it was like a $20 cake. I'm spending a little bit more on this cake this time. And then the reason it's not a heart is because she said once they cut the shape of a heart, it immediately costs $100. So I'm like, okay, immediately no. Let's just keep it a circle. And I think it's gonna be about like less than $50. So we'll see, but I don't think that's a bad price. They said that they could do the piping and everything, and I asked for these same colors. So this is like my first time splurging on a cake for myself. I'm excited to see it. My husband bought me roses earlier. We had a nice breakfast, and yeah, so then after Walmart, we're gonna go pick up the cake. I'm gonna put the bows on the cake when we get back home. That's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to do today for my birthday, was just order a cute aesthetic cake, get some content, and that's it. My husband's sister was in town over the weekend, so we got to see her for a full day. We got a little tipsy, had a good time. So I've just been recovering for the last 2 days. Hangovers last like 2 days for me. I just can't hang anymore. So I'm still kind of recovering. I'm drinking an energy drink. I've already had a coffee today too. I need to chill on the caffeine. We came to Torchy's Tacos for the first time. I got the queso, we got 2 chicken tacos, and then I got a pork taco. Good. Let's try the queso.
I got diarrhea.
Update, the food was not it. Torchy's Tacos,
I'm still lactose.
is not it. We just both kind of feel like crap right now. We were gonna go to Cava, but that just seemed too healthy, and Torchy's Tacos just wasn't healthy enough. So I just got this ribbon and I found the pearls. Now I just need to get a hot glue gun so I can glue it to the toothpick so it can stay in the cake. These pink ones are cute too, but I think white is the move. This is the closest color I could get. It is a little bit more on the mauve side, but I think it'll look good. Found the hot glue guns. I just finished the bows. I'm about to super glue these toothpicks to them right now, and I'm running short on time, so I need to hurry up, and then I can top the cake with these pearls. And then I ended up getting these sparklers from Sprouts. I didn't really love their candle selection, so I hope these look really nice. I'm sure they will. I haven't used a hot glue gun in so long. Is this even gonna stick? That dried pretty quick, so I think it's gonna work. Alexa, play. I just realized I haven't shown you the cake yet, but this is her. So freaking cute, but she's gonna look even better in a second. So I'm gonna do the bows, but first I need to add some of these pearls. I need to do this fast though. Okay, that worked, perfect. But I'm like, they're so tiny, you can barely even see them. This is gonna take me forever. All right, this is as good as it's gonna get. I spilt my pearls. I made a huge mess, but I need to finish getting ready. I think it looks good. It took me forever to place all of the mini pearls on here. You can barely see it, but It's all in the details, so maybe you'll be able to see all of it better outside. So I'm gonna pack this up and then we're gonna go have our picnic. All right, we've been stuck in traffic for like almost an hour. We're losing daylight. It's about to be 7:30, so we have about an hour before the sun sets, but everyone has the same idea. I don't know what's going on. It looks like they're having an event or something. We got everything set up before the sun sets, and it looks so pretty. I'm gonna get a little bit of content before I add these. It goes too fast. Thanks, baby. Those sparklers were so freaking hard to light, and they got all over the cake. We've been having so much sugar lately though. We were talking about how we don't even really want to eat the cake, but we always have to have a slice. Might as well try a little. I think I got like this swirl, so it's like vanilla chocolate with strawberry filling. Oh, what's that? Oh, damn. She's thick. I only ate the middle part of the cake, but it was really good. It's super rich. I'm so glad I did this. Yay! Next year, I'm getting a heart. Happy Wednesday. I had the best birthday yesterday, but right now I just got to my med spa appointment because I'm gonna get some Botox and I think I'm gonna get my lip filler dissolved. I've been getting lip filler since I think I was 24. So for about 8 years now. It's been about a little over 2 years since the last time I had my lips done. That was like right before my wedding, and they have just migrated. I've been doing a bunch of research. I've been going down the TikTok rabbit hole of just watching people and their lip dissolving stories, and it just looks like I'm a great candidate. I have, like I said, a lot of migration. I feel like it looks uneven on the top lip. The bottom lip I don't mind so much, but let me just show you. Okay, this is gonna be crazy. When I do the duck lips, you can see all of the migration. Like, even without me doing the duck lips, my profile, I'm gonna miss them, but I can get them refilled, and I think I'm going to. I'm not sure. All of the videos I've been watching of people getting theirs dissolved, I feel like they just look so much better without it. So I'm like, maybe that's how I'll feel. I hope it is. I hope I'm gonna look better without it. But I would like to do like one syringe after everything is dissolved, but that's gonna be like at least a week after. I'm gonna go in for a consultation when I get my Botox right now. Hopefully we can dissolve it today. I know it looks so crazy. Your lips get extra swollen, but they start going down within a couple of hours. So this is gonna be so crazy. I look crazy right now too because I didn't do a full face of makeup. I just did like a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and my skin just tends to run super red all the time. So I'm like, I almost just didn't wear any makeup. I'm about to have a little glow up, but before the glow up, I'm just gonna look a little crazy. So let me show you my lips. They call it like the duck mustache, and I've been having that for the longest time. I didn't like overline my lips, but when I do my makeup and overline my lips, it doesn't look that bad. But without makeup, it just, regardless, I'm excited to get my lips dissolved. And yeah, take a good last look at them because they just look like sausages. They gotta go.
Of course. All right, we'll start with your Botox.
Okay.
All right, say goodbye to these lips. They're about to get better. I'm gonna start up here. Your lips, you're gonna have such a good result when we go to fill them again.
Take it that way.
So good. So good.
Do they look crazy right now?
They don't, surprisingly.
They look like you almost just got them redone. Okay, yeah,
Right?
cool. Yeah, they don't look bad
They
at
don't
all.
look bad at all. I love it.
I'm like, did we do enough?
A whole vial. I was like, okay, all right.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Oh my gosh. immediately after. The lips don't look crazy like all of the videos I've been seeing on TikTok. I just finished. This is what my lips look like. It looks like I'm gonna have a little bit of bruising right here. We dissolved the filler without using any numbing. I was so shocked. It hurt, but it didn't hurt as bad as everyone says it does. So I'm just glad that we finally did it, and stay tuned. I will update you later. My camera's about to die, but they don't look crazy. I thought they were gonna look a lot crazier from the other videos that I've been seeing on TikTok, so I'm so excited for the duck lips to like go away. It's been a couple of hours. I just woke up from the best nap. I was so tired, but this is an update on my lips. I feel like they already look so much better. I can tell a huge difference and I love them, so I'm really happy about that. Is that filler right there? Because if that is, I'd like to get rid of that. I'm like, I don't think that's my natural lip without filler. I don't think that would do that, right? Looks better on this side, I think. This side I think has a little bit more. For my Botox, I got everything I normally get, my forehead, my smile lines, and I actually did something extra this time that I've never done before. They called it the orange peel. It's where you get Botox on your chin area. So she had me do this face, like a frowning face. And she said like, these dimples are essentially what are gonna go away. Which, you know, everyone has chin dimples. It's not something that's ever bothered me, but I'm like, I'll try it. She said it helps with RBF, and if you have jowls, which I don't have jowls just yet, but I do have RBF. So she said it essentially just makes you not frown or like have like a, you know, like a RBF, right? Anyways, I'm excited to see how it looks. Botox doesn't kick in for about a good 2 weeks. Mine kicks in pretty quick, so so this is my face right now. I feel like it's already working. I'm not even kidding. Like my stuff kicks in so fast. I should have done this before I went in and showed you my wrinkles, but I swear they were a little bit deeper before I went in. And I have my hair pulled back, so it's like an instant facelift. But yeah, my forehead lines. I know it's nothing crazy, but I'm telling you, I feel like it already started working when I was sleeping. And my smile lines were getting super deep. Oh my God, do not look at that pimple. That thing is massive. I've been having way too much sugar lately. But yeah, I'm already looking and feeling more snatched. Holler! Happy Thursday. I just finished doing my makeup. I did a Bala workout this morning. I just got this mat off TikTok Shop, so I used it for the first time. It is so nice, especially compared to this one that I got from Below 5 or Five Below. This one is just horrible quality. It's been peeling, coming apart. This was like $5. I mean, you get what you pay for, so I am throwing this away. This one is super thick. She just feels expensive, so I'm really happy about this, and I love the color contrast that I got because I was a little upset that they didn't have pink, but I was like, you know what? This blue will look great with my pink Bala weights. I don't know why I'm out of breath. I have been eating so much junk food lately, I'm not even gonna lie. I had Chick-fil-A for dinner last night, and then the day before, my husband and I had McDonald's. Like, I've just been going crazy with the fast food, so I need to chill. I'm not sure if my husband and I are gonna go to the beach tomorrow or not, but that was the plan. If we don't go tomorrow, we'll go Saturday. I'm waiting for the sun to come out so I can film a little unboxing of these Gazelles that I ordered myself for my birthday. I just tried one on because I wasn't sure if they were gonna fit. I ordered a size 9 and they fit perfect. I wish they were a little bit more pink in person. I mean, they are a muted pink, but I'll make them look cute with some outfits. My lips feel great. It doesn't feel like I did anything to them yesterday. They don't hurt or anything at all. They just feel normal, which is nice. Happy Saturday. It's about 4 o'clock. I put this cute outfit together. This whole outfit is brand new. I got these shorts from Princess Polly, and I finally am wearing my new shoes for the first time. I kind of accidentally put this together, and it's just so freaking perfect. I'm so excited to ask my husband for a picture because we're about to go to Marshall's. I'm out of breath. Whew, because, like I said earlier, my diet has just been so horrible, and my husband and I want to change that. So this morning we went to a hot yoga class for the first time in like over a year. We want to start doing those a couple times a week at least. so we can get back into our healthy eating and just a healthier lifestyle overall, because I gained probably like at least 10 pounds over like the last maybe month or so. I'm really excited to get back into shape. I love these shorts. I also got them in blue. I'm just a little self-conscious because my cellulite be popping out, and I'm just like, okay, this is a wake-up call. I need to get back in shape, not just so I'll look better, but so I'll feel better, more importantly. So I'm really excited to not be breathing heavily. My bruise on my lip is almost gone, and we decided we're just gonna go to the beach next weekend since we'll be feeling a lot better. We would have just been 2 big beach whales, which is fine, but we had to get our priorities straight. I'm glad we did that hot yoga class. I thought I was gonna die. I was sweating so much. Toward the end of the class, I got a headache. It was an hour-long class too, and I didn't take any breaks, surprisingly. I'm really proud of myself. I'm a little scared for how sore I'm gonna feel tomorrow. I still kind of have a little headache. I feel like I'm just dehydrated. I need to drink some more water. I wanted to come on here and end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms, and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.